Good morning to a very cold, foggy Boise fall morning. Summer is definitely over. It is foggy everywhere. This is the first day it has been this foggy this late. So winter is coming. We are about 1 week before Halloween. And here is Lupo Motors. They got some great vehicles here. Here's a nice high mountain rescue vehicle. Here's some nice off-road, heavy-duty trailer pulling rescue units, you name it. These are all capable of that. This is some beautiful trucks right here. Yes, sir. This is heavy duty right here. Nice trailers for sale. Very nice trailers. And here is a high mountain rescue unit. All set up, ready to go. Looks like it is all stocked up with extra tires, emergency equipment on the back, those rails in case you get stuck in mud or sand that's deeper than your axles. Beautiful vehicles. I'd like to have this one out for about a week. Doesn't matter what time of year it would be. This is any time of year vehicle. From the Brazilian jungle to Prudhoe Bay. I'm glad I could catch it.